Right now, while you're listening to this, someone with no employees and no office is making money from a business that runs itself. They are not smarter than you. They just understand one map that most people never see. You have been told AI is coming for your job, and maybe it is. But here's what nobody explains. AI is the first tool in human history that lets one regular person own a business that works while they sleep. The question isn't whether AI makes money. The question is which part of the map are you currently standing on? So let me show you how the whole thing works. There are only three ways AI can make money. And by the end of these 3 minutes, you'll know exactly where you fit. So the first way is the slowest. AI does the work you used to pay for. The writing, the designs, the email, the busy work, everyday tasks you hand to AI is money you stop spending. This is real, but it's small. You are still the one carrying the buckets. Now, let me explain the buckets. Imagine two people are hired to bring water to a village. The first one grabs two buckets and starts hauling water back and forth all day, every day. It's hard work, it's honest money, but the second one disappears for a few months and builds a whole pipeline. Then he goes home and the water keeps flowing without him. That pipeline is the second way AI makes money. You stop using AI to do tasks and you start using it to build something that runs on its own. An assistant that answers customers, a system that finds leads, a little tool that does one job and never sleeps. You build it once and it keeps working. And the third way is the one that quietly makes people wealthy. One person pointing AI at many things at the same time. One creator producing like a whole team. One owner running what used to take 20 people. This is where the money stops being a paycheck and starts being a machine. So that's the map. Replace your costs, build a pipeline, then multiply it. Most people never get past the first one because nobody showed them how to do the other two. Now you've seen all three. The only question left is which one you start building this week. So before you go, do me one favor. If this gave you a new way to think about money, hit the subscribe button so you don't miss the next one. Tap the like button so more people will find this, and comment the word pipeline if you are ready to build something that works while you sleep. I'll see you in the next one.